Yo, what's good, guys? What's good, guys? So, today's video, I want to talk about um, taking L's, taking losses, and why you should just take action and not be scared about losses, okay? So, the first thing I want to talk about is courage, yeah? So, we need to have courage as a faculty that we must use if we want to follow our dreams. Sometimes we may feel like, oh, I want to do this or I want to do that, but for whatever reasons, it may be self-belief, you don't have the courage to actually want to do this, okay? So what you have to do is you need to have courage. And I know from experience that some of the reasons why we may not take courage is because you're scared to fail, okay? I've had the feeling of I want to do something but I'm scared to fail, and just the thought of failure can paralyze you because you've analyzed it so much to the point you're just like, I don't want to be a part of this, okay? So the best thing you have to do is you need to have courage, okay? Once you have courage and you let go of the end result, then you can take action. So if you take action and you say, okay, cool, I'm going to commit to this. I'm going to commit to this project and I'm going to give it my all. You then get a feeling of rush that happens where you're stepping into the unknown, but you still feel excitement. So you might feel a bit of fear and you may feel a bit of excitement, but it's just doing something fulfilling for you. So your brain is just like, wow, I'm actually doing this project, it feels good, okay? And you may come across failure, okay? You may come across failure. It's just a part of evolution. If you are going into something that you've never done, you may just have to fail. And when you fail, okay, you may just have to pick yourself up again, learn from the failure and say, okay, what did I do wrong, or what could I have done better, okay? Because again, if you use perspective, amongst that failure, unless something went completely bad for you, there may have been some good in there. There may have been something you just learned and something that was just revealed to you. So if you are able to say, okay, I learned how to do this, or I learned how to do that, or I learned that I can make this much money doing this, and okay, it wasn't, okay, so let's just say this failure could be that you want to make $500 with this project of selling something, selling an item, yeah? Let's say you made $250, okay? That could be seen as failure because you didn't reach your goal, you didn't reach your quota. But along that way, you would have learned something about yourself. You would have learned that, okay, it is possible to make money selling this, and it is possible by using these strategies, but maybe I just needed to do this and that to reach my goal, okay? So it can be encouraging. Failure can be encouraging because you can tell you, okay, cool, I need to do this and that, okay? Let me give you an analogy. Obviously, I'm from UK, so I watch a lot of football. Okay, soccer to anybody watching from United States, okay? Liverpool won the league this season. The season previous to that, they got like 90 points or something ridiculous. And if that wasn't that season, they would have won the league. But Man City got 100 points, okay? But instead of Liverpool dwelling on that, Liverpool used that same energy to go again another season and win the league, okay? And I'm an Arsenal supporter, so I'm not endorsing them winning the league as an achievement. It is, but it took them 30 years to do it, innit? So with that being said, good on them. But you know what I'm trying to say? So you need to use the positive energy from a certain situation to keep you going, okay? And like I said, perspective, you need to use perspective to give you reasoning to go again, or you may need to use perspective to say, okay, this project or this thing that I wanted to do isn't for me. Okay, you can go into any type of business and say, okay, this business that I thought was so lucrative, it comes with so much of this, it comes so much with that, and that's not what I resonate with. So maybe I need to take a back step, go back to the drawing board and find something that I do love to do. Okay, so again, we use perspective and see how you can do something with courage and learn from it, journal and see what you learned from it, see where you could have gone and done something better, and then go again. Peace.